So yesterday, story time. We're here at the Braille house. It's about like 11:30, 12, and we have this RC Mario on a Mario Kart. We took him down the Braille drop. He nailed it, and it got me thinking. Round 2, rematch, Drifter Bikes Game of Skate. Fetty wins by going down the Braille drop. It can happen. And also, Nigel was talking all kinds of mess for the last week. Fetty, nah, on the bikes, I'm taking him. No way, easy. You know, I'm like, Nigel, you have not seen Fetty's skills. I would seriously very much reconsider your trash talk right now. And he goes, he's not. And then he just saw what Fetty was trying, and he went, nah, I'm good. But we're here today for round 2. Fetty versus Daniel, Drifter Bikes Game of Skate round 2. You guys ready? Oh! I was just telling the camera how earlier this week you were expressing your the easiness in which you were gonna take down Fetty.
Yeah, and then I just realized the obstacles they're putting together, and they're psychotic. Nah, I'm okay. I like to live. I like to have a fun life. Nah, this is dumb. This is asking for it.
He literally gapped a foot and a half.
Do you see that? If you get caught on that, you're bored to the
Stop biking, Rochambeau.
I'm not psychotic like you guys. I'm psychotic, but no.
Fetty just found out he was playing Daniel again, and his eyes just lit up like.
This is the battle of the century.
Man, you thought he was excited for the last game. This game right here is the one that he's been living up to, practicing his entire life for this. Razor, please sponsor Fetty. He even modded his bike.
I worked an hour to work on this.
An hour to mod this bike. Okay, Rochambeau.
What are you doing? What are you? Give me your hand. Come on, honey, sweetheart. Take me to the stars, sweetheart.
Roll down the bank with Nigel real quick.
Oh God. Oh God. Somebody's calling me.
That was amazing. You're up first.
All right, I'm hitting what he already hit.
I think the one thing we walked away with is that you don't steal someone else's trick, because then it comes back to haunt you, and that's the first thing he's doing. He's going.
Hey, this is the ruthless time.
I love the progression that has erupted. Like, Fetty's been going hard this entire week, and this is what we start with. This was the ender of last game. It's too easy. You couldn't get me to commit to that if I wanted to. He onlied it! He onlied it! Did you see that?
I want to grind the small hubba. Yeah, but I'm trying to figure out how to get up there.
What is he doing? You got this! Oh, he's dead.
Okay, yeah, okay.
Oh, the backbreaker deluxe.
That's probably a letter.
Oh!
What are you trying?
I'm gonna grind that.
He's gapping it.
Oh yeah.
Gotta go faster.
Yeah, he had to go like, I think twice as fast to even make it up that. All right, Fetty.
One hand is 360.
We'll give it to him because he's calling it.
Right hand.
Right hand.
One hand 360. I can't even do two hand 360.
Me neither.
Oh. I've been doing it all day too. All right.
I'm disappointed, I'm not gonna lie.
Landed it.
Faster speed, same result. What does it mean? I don't know. I'm gonna give it to him. That's an S for Daniel. So also in the last week that you guys don't know is that freaking Fetty learned how to 540 and 720 on it. Unbelievable, but 540. But we're gonna be pretty harsh with the judges. I really don't understand how he does that. For those of you who have this bike, leave a comment below. It is hard to go that fast. When you start going fast, your legs just kind of float off, but he's going. Just reverted that last little 70 degrees. You're gonna grind the edge of the 5-stair bank. Okay. Daniel, we can do that.
I'm gonna try and grind this 180 out.
He's gonna grind this 180 out. Backside or front side, you gotta call it. Backside out. All right. Your kidneys,
No,
they're okay?
That was my head.
Too quick.
He's a little freaking snake on that thing, man. He's good. All right, Daniel, what you got? Do you need a push? I'm gonna help him do this next trick. I think we're gonna give it to him. See, what I would do if I were him and I could do that is I would go off the box onto the rail 180 out. That new pant feeling.
Oh no.
Oh no. I have one request. I don't know how it can be done, but I want to see it from one of you at some point. Hippie jump on the bike. Anyways, no explanation necessary. Okay, Fetty's counts, but did you see how perfectly centered Daniel's front tire was? All right, Daniel, what's up next?
Okay, here we go. Oh, that'll work.
Oh no.
What he said.
The motto, full send.
Yeah.
But he's going back to the trick that he fell on earlier. Perfect.
That's a really nice skip you got there.
Hey, thanks, man. I've been practicing every night before bed. What is this? Just make it go away. Make the pain stop. The pain I'm referring to is the pain that I can't freaking do this, even though I try really hard. Again! Dude, the wheel was so perfectly centered. Daniel! You break everything! What did you do? Damn, Daniel! Fetty, Braille drop.
That one? I'm gonna look at it.
What if we tilt it up?
No.
It's just like the 5-stair. I wouldn't call you if it weren't absolutely necessary, but Fetty's about to ride down the Braille drop on the bike, so I would probably come out here.
No, he's not.
Why would he do that? No, Fetty, no.
No, Fetty.
Don't do that. No. No. Don't, Fetty, no. We've taken you to the hospital before, not today.
What if we have him wear a helmet?
Whose idea was this?
It wasn't mine. All right, in retrospect, this looks a lot scarier from right here than
Go
it does
look at
when
it
you're
up
next to
there.
On the trike, all you gotta do is this.
I take it back. Let's not do this.
Send the bike down solo.
Full send.
Full send. Full send.
Yeah, that looks safe. I actually think you got that. Go ahead. Give it a go.
There's no way he will get hurt.
If it was bigger, I wouldn't do it.
Okay,
If it was more like a 3-stair drop than a 6,
I'm gonna remember that. Your trick though, he's on T.
I think if you full send it, you got it. I believe in you, Fetty. You guys are doing psychotic stuff already. Step it up a notch.
Never use near swimming pools, alleys, stairs, or steps. There you go.
Why is that even on here? Get that off. Kids, don't try this at home.
I don't think he'll get this first try.
If he does, what do you give me?
I'll give you.
Yeah,
What do you want? Quick.
it's a film. There we go.
I think I saw him on the first episode of Walking Dead.
All right, Daniel, you're up.
I'm gonna hit the 5 set of steps to bench to rail.
Ah.
Did I land it? Does that count?
I'm gonna call it a rebate. That was amazing.
Okay, you know, this is a new sport, so we're working out the kinks.
Dang, girl! Daniel, what's your trick? He's gonna 180 out. Stupid. Fully sended proper, man. That was good.
Full send.
I'm gonna go that way. I'm gonna hit my left tire on the ramp and like ride on 2 wheels to the downslope.
I have no idea what's happening. Oh my god! This kidney! I'm surprised you didn't break the front wheel how hard you just hit.
Or his arms.
I'm gonna try that again, but to 180.
What? I was just really wondering how Keddy's fitting. What? Since when did I forget how to speak English? I'm just wondering how Keddy's findies feel? How Fetty's kidneys feel. That's what I was trying to say.
All right, one more right there. I got this.
My toe is in an excruciating amount of pain.
All right, I'm gonna go up, I'm gonna manual, and then go down the 5 stair, down the ramp.
I don't want to lose on all manuals. Dude.
I'm gonna grind that rail.
That rail?
Yeah, it's just flat. I missed.
Fetty, you're up!
What do I try?
Why are they so good at that? What are you doing?
I'm gonna try to backlip it.
He's full sending, back lipping the freaking 3-stair rail. Because why? Come up close, let me tell you what's gonna happen. He's gonna drift into it. He's gonna turn, he's gonna plant, he's gonna stick, and he's gonna go like this. Not to mention he has to gap about a foot, 10 to 12 inches.
Can we get an instant replay on that?
It's full set.
My kidney hurts. Oh man.
I wanted to backlip it. Alright, well, thanks for watching. Gabe, take us away.
Where are you pulling up
You
to?
know, just my second victory, that's all.
Oh, okay. Back to back. Back to back.
Give my good
2
side.
times.
2 times! You almost had me. You gotta be
It was
quicker than
actually,
that.
it was close. Played valiantly.
The Manuel and Daniel over here.
The winner is Fetty Potter.
At least I know what to work on.
But yeah, can I just say that this was probably your last chance to beat him.
Thanks.
Unless you practice during the week.
See, I only have 1 day. You're here all the time.
Exactly. Unless you practice
You know, I'm
hardcore.
not, you know what? I'm only tricycling now.
He's gonna try
Yeah,
for
that's
the
all
next
I'm
week.
I'm gonna be in the gym. I'm gonna be training.
He's gonna be
Doing
doing leg
sprints.
workouts, you know, doing the left core workouts so he can manual a little bit better, and he might just get Fetty next game. We'll see. So yeah, if you guys want to see round 3, it is up to you guys. Make sure you share this video with your friends, like this video, and you can subscribe to this channel and all that other good stuff. You can check out them. The link will be in the description below for their Instagrams and all that amazing stuff. If you want to see more bike videos, please let us know because they're honestly really fun to make and hilarious. With that, thank you, Keddy. I hope your fitneys are okay, and we'll see you next time.